Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export your Gmail emails and save them to a PST file so you can open them in Outlook or keep them backed up on your PC. A PST file is an Outlook data file that stores emails, contacts, calendars, and more. Exporting Gmail to a PST gives you offline access to your mailbox, protects against data loss, and lets you open your Gmail messages in Microsoft Outlook. There are two main ways to do this. One is using Google Takeout to download your Gmail data and then convert it into PST. The other is using a dedicated export tool that directly creates a PST file from your Gmail. Manual steps are: go to Gmail and enable IMAP. Open Outlook and go to File, Add Account. Enter your Gmail address and password. Outlook will sync all mailbox folders. After that, go to File, Open and Export, Import Export. Select Export to a file. Outlook Data File. Choose Gmail folders you want to export. Browse a location and click Finish. The second method uses a professional export tool. This tool directly converts your Gmail mailbox into a PST file. To use the export tool, install and open it. Sign in with your Gmail credentials securely. Choose the folders you want to export. Select PST as the output format. Pick where to save the file and click Start. The tool will handle the rest. Download the tool from the link. Using a dedicated tool makes the process much easier. It directly creates a PST file from Gmail, preserves your folder structure and attachments, and offers filters like exporting by date or label. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to export Gmail to PST. If you found it helpful, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more email backup and migration guides. Leave a comment if you have questions. I'd be happy to help.